This page shows all the available rooms in the hotel. For reservation process, click on to booking. Under guest information and tariff details, enter the number of days, to date, arrival time, departure time, packs, number of rooms, and room type. Also enter the mobile number, customer name, address and city. Now click on to other details and select save option. The reservation saved successfully. You can either print or view the GRC acceptance tariff. You can also post the reservation advance. The reservation has been saved successfully. Thank you.